Hey, so my Le Creuset came in. Thumbnail, fingernail. So mine was broken. They have a lifetime guarantee. Mine, the layer, gosh, I knew I'd forget what it was called. The porcelain outer layer was starting to chip off and the iron was showing underneath, and so I did the return thing online. It was so easy. I returned it on Tuesday. This delivered on Thursday, so really quick turnaround time. And now I'm gonna open it up. So here we go, I'm so excited. Mine was a blue 9 or 10 inch pan. I'm just hoping the size is right. So here goes nothing. Whoop. I swear by these pans. Love letter. Just pack this slip. Okay. Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry. Shouldn't have done that, Peter. Ooh, so exciting! Brand new. Peter, don't be scared. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have popped that. I'm so excited. 1925. They've been around a while. Okay. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Brand new box and everything. They didn't even give me like a factory one. They gave me the new box. It's okay, Peter. And they even gave me blue. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Mine was old and this is beautiful, brand new, lifetime guarantee. Wow. That is amazing. Skillet, enameled cast iron skillet. Wow. Easy to use, easy to clean. Smooth enameled base, ideal for glass topped hobs. I guess that means a stove top, but mine's glass, so I didn't even know that. But this looks a little different than the one I returned, but in a good way. I'm really excited. Ooh, this handle. I don't know if mine had a handle. I'm not sure. This is great. This is even better. And they gave me the same, it's the same kind of blue. Love it. Ah. Love it. Haven't gotten one of these boxes in a while. They gave me the whole experience. So, free to return. You just gotta pay for the shipping. So, you know, 20 bucks to ship it. They're in South Carolina, so this was quick, like really quick for me. Ooh. Yeah. They tell you how to take care of it. No metal on metal. You should not hit metal knives in here or scrape the fork on the bottom. That one's really pretty. Damn, that's pretty. It's like a eggplant color. These are awesome. Oh, I didn't even have to say, they just do it. That's amazing. Wow. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. One Christmas I did get one of these brand new from my grandmother. So I have the big orange one, the big pot orange one, and I had one of these that was used and it got chipped, and they gave me a new one. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. This is a great pan for meat. Right now, since mine's been broken, I've been using the orange one for everything, or I have some Revereware that I'll use, but this is, your meat tastes way better if you make it in cast iron. And so I would use the big old orange one, and this is better for that because it's, you know, more like a meat thing. You don't need the big pot for the meat, you just need the actual skillet. And how exciting. Okay, so this is why you don't put things off. I was putting things off to return this. What are you doing? And this is why you don't put things off, because that was easy, and now I'm really happy. And if they say lifetime guarantee, that's what you said. My hair's long. Moroccan oil. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't even want to use it yet. I'm gonna wait. Have to christen it. Love it. Well, thanks for watching. I highly recommend Le Creuset. Customer service on point, and they are the best pans for cooking. It will make your meals taste better. Cast iron is amazing. People a lot of times will just use iron skillets, which are cheaper. You can get pretty much anywhere, and those are great, but the thing with those, you gotta know how to season them and keep them from rusting. These aren't so finicky like that. You don't have to salt and olive oil and whatever you do with those ones, which I've learned how to do. It's not that hard, but these are like the creme de la creme of the iron cooking world. Beautiful enamel and just beautiful all around pan. It's a statement piece for sure. Growing up, my grandma always had hers on display in her kitchen, her big orange Le Creuset pot, and it's just you know the food's gonna be good when you see one of those. Like I said, it cooks the meat better. You know, it definitely, wow, you don't do anything that you don't want to do. Eggs stick to the bottom. I would cook eggs in Revereware, stainless steel versus cast iron. But as far as meat goes, that's like really what it's good for. And then the pot is great for like stews and stuff. Amazing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good Friday. Thanks, bye.